fish. Hi. What else you got? What's that?
Frog. R O G F F
Good
R O
job.
G. Frog.
You were so good at this. Ribbit, ribbit.
Crab.
What's next? What's that? Crab. Can you spell crab? At the wrong end of the.
Crab. 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 Crab.
Can you spell it?
Crab.
Can you do the letters?
Crab. B A R C C R A
Good job.
B. Crab.
You're doing it like a real pro, huh?
Wasp.
Wasp.
P S W A W
Nice.
S P. Wasp. Goat.
Goat.
G A T O G O A T. Goat.
Very good. I think you're gonna be participating in spelling bee
Bird.
before you even go into first grade. You're gonna be so good at this.
B B R I D B I R D.
Awesome. Good job, bud. You're spelling so good.
Bull.
Bull.
L U L B B U L L. Bull.
Yay.
Swan.
Swan.
Swan. Swan. Swan. S
Can you say swan?
N W A S W A N.
Say swan.
Swan.
Connor, say swan. Swan. Good job, bud.
Wolf.
Wolf. Is that a
Oh.
big bad wolf? Bad wolf.
F.
Bad
W.
wolf.
L
No, he's a good
W
guy.
O L F. Wolf. Seal. S
Seal. Oh, you're so good at this. This is such a good game, isn't it?
A E
Love the game.
L S E A L. Seal.
Seal. Alright, Connor, can you say bye-bye? Come here. Can you sing kisses? One more. One more. And say, love you guys. Aw, say bye-bye.